y'all heard Winston. He got a cage. We got him a new cage. $125 for all of this. And this.
Well, this is a oh, what kind of tree is this? It's not a manzanita. It's some other type of tree.
50 doll hairs.
But we got this tree for like $50. This thing would cost like
$170
$200 or some shit. We got this with this for $50, and then all these toys, this cage, all these toys, these skirts right here,
just too much to handle.
and these perches right here. So he's gonna have an amazing life. Winston's life just, I mean, if I wouldn't have adopted Winston, he probably would have died. But now he's got a cage bigger than he needs. He's got more toys than he can get used to or play with in time of his life. I mean, we went from this tree right here to this tree. And we went from this cage over here from this cage. Hi, Winston. What you doing? What you doing? What you doing, Vince? Yeah, he's a sweetheart. See, he lets me pet him. To the cage you saw out there. I'll go show it again because it's ridiculous. I mean, this is like a mansion compared to a condo. So, peace.